Hello dear students, welcome back again to the math class of standard 5. We are discussing chapter number 10, tenths and hundreds. And this is fifth part of this chapter. In the previous session, you studied different topics like gas and color, gaze, draw and measure, our eyes get confused, and whose tail is the longest. In this topic, you have learned how to measure the things, and also you have learned first guess the length of anything and then measure it and then check your guess. Now let us continue with the new topic, the longest rupee note. Student, you can measure this 100 rupee note, means this 100 rupee note, actual 100 rupees note, using a scale. Measure the length of this note and this is breadth of this note. That means you can measure the length and width of this knot using a scale. So let us write first our guess in centimeter of 100 rupees note. So here we guess the length of our 100 rupees note is 15 centimeter and width is 6 centimeter. So here we will write 15 and 6 centimeter. When I measured the length of 100 rupees note, I found that its length is 15.7 centimeter and width is 7.3 centimeter. So let us write it. Now we have to find out the difference between our measure and our guess. This is the measure and this is our guess. So first we have to subtract 15.7 minus 15. 15.7 minus 15. Here we have to write one digit after decimal point. So here point and here we have to write 0 to make it like fraction. So here 7 minus 15 minus 15 0. So difference is 0 in length and width 7.3 minus 6. So 7.3. Similarly here also we have to write one digit after the decimal point. So we will write 0 after decimal point. 6 minus 0. So 3 minus 0 3 and 7 minus 6 1. So 1.3. So difference between our measure and our guess in length is 0.7 centimeter and in width is 1.3 centimeter. So let us write here. Now let us guess the length and width of 10 rupee note. That is 12.5 centimeter length, 5 centimeter width. When I measure the length and width of 10 rupee note using a scale, I found that the length is 13.6 centimeter and width is 6.3 centimeter. Now let us subtract and find the difference between length. So 13.6 minus 12.5. 6 minus 5 1, 3 minus 2 1 and 1 minus 1 0. And here decimal point. So 1.1. Difference of length is 1.1 centimeter. Now let us find out the difference between width. 6.3 minus 5. So here 6.3 minus 5. Here we have to put decimal point because here after decimal point one digit is there, so here also we have to put one decimal point, and after decimal point one digit, that is 0. So 3 minus 0 3, and 6 minus 5 1, so 1.3. So difference of width of 10 rupee note is 1.3 centimeter. Similarly, we have to do here also. First we have to guess the length and width of 10 rupee note, and then we have to measure and write here the actual length and width of 10 rupees note, and then we will find the difference between them. Point. Now here I have guessed the length and width of 20 rupee note is 13.5 centimeter length and 5 centimeter width. But when I measure the length and width of 20 rupee note, its length is 14.6 centimeter and width is 6 centimeter. Now let us find out the difference between them. So here length is 14.6 centimeter of measure, and here length is 13.5 centimeter of guess. So 14.6 minus 13.5. 14.6 minus 13.5. So 6 minus 5 1, 4 minus 3 1, 1 minus 1 0, and here decimal point. So 1.1 centimeter is the difference between our measure and guess of 20 rupee note. Now let us find out the difference of width of measure and guess. So 6.2 minus 5. Here 6.2 minus 5. 6.2 minus 5. Here we have to put one decimal point, and after decimal point one digit, that is 0. Because here one decimal point and after decimal point one digit is there, so we are writing here 0.0. 2 minus 0 2, 6 minus 5 1. So difference is 1.2 centimeter in width of 20 rupee note in measure and guess, and here already we have found out 1.1. Now here I have guessed the length and width of 5 rupee note, that is 11 centimeter length and 5 centimeter width. But when I measure the 5 rupee note, I found the length of 5 rupee note is 11.5 centimeter and width is 6.3 centimeter. Now let us find out the difference between length and width. So here 11.7 minus 11 minus 11. So here 11, we have to write 0.0. So 7 minus 0 7. 11 minus 11 0. So 0.7 is the difference in the measure and guess of 20 of. So here 0.7 is the difference in measure and our guess in 5 rupee note. Now let us find out the difference in width. 6.3 minus 5. So here 6.3 minus 5. Here also we have to put decimal point, and after decimal point 0. So 3 minus 0 3. Here decimal point, and here 6 minus 5, 1. So 1.3 is the difference between our measured and between our, so 1.3 is the difference in our measure and in our guess of 5 rupee note. So here I have guessed the length and width of postcard, that is 14 centimeter length and 9 centimeter width. But when I measure postcard using a scale, I found that length is 14.5 centimeter and width is 9.5 centimeter. So let us find out the difference. 14.5 minus 14. Five centimeter minus 14.0. So 5 minus 0, 5. 14 minus 14, 0. So 0.5 is the difference in our measure and in our guess of postcard in length. Now let us find out the difference in width in measure and guess of postcard. So 9.5 minus 9. So here 5, here point, and here 0. So here 0.5 centimeter is the difference between our measure and guess of width of postcard. Now here I have guessed the length and width of Math Magic book is 25 centimeter length and 20 centimeter width. When I measure the Math Magic book, I found that the length is 27.3 centimeter and width is 20.6 centimeter. Now let us find out the difference between our measure and our guess of Math Magic book in length and width. So here 27.3 minus 25. 27.3 minus 25. Here one decimal point and after decimal point 0. So 3 minus 0, 3. Here decimal point. Then 7 minus 5, 2. And 2 minus 2, 0. So the difference in our measure and our guess in length of Math Magic book is 2.3 centimeter. Now let us find out the difference in width. 20.6 centimeter minus 20. 20.6 centimeter minus 20. So 6 minus 0, 6. Here decimal point, here 0, and here also 0. So see 0.6 is the difference between our measure and our guess in width of Math Magic book. Children, here is the end of this session. You have learned how to subtract the decimal number in this session. So practice for the subtraction of decimal number. This is your homework. Thank you.